Welcome to the history of Legazpi, Albay, Philippines. Legazpi City, the capital of Albay province in the Bicol Region, has a rich history dating back to pre-colonial times. Named after Spanish conquistador Miguel López de Legazpi, the city has played a crucial role in the Philippines' historical, economic, and cultural development. Pre-Colonial and Spanish Era. Before Spanish colonization, Legazpi was inhabited by indigenous Bicolano tribes who engaged in agriculture, fishing, and trade with neighboring Asian countries. When the Spaniards arrived in the 16th century, they established a settlement in what is now the town of Albay, which eventually became part of Legazpi City. In 1587, Spanish friars founded a mission in the area, and in 1616 it became an encomienda under Spanish rule. The region was frequently attacked by Dutch and Moro raiders, prompting the Spaniards to fortify the settlement. In 1856, Legazpi was officially declared a town and named after Miguel López de Legazpi, the first Spanish Governor-General of the Philippines. American and Japanese occupation. During the American colonial period, Legazpi continued to grow as an important commercial and transportation hub in Bicol. However, its development was disrupted during World War II, when Japanese forces occupied the city in 1941. Legazpi was liberated by combined Filipino and American forces in 1945, but much of the city was destroyed during the war. Post-war and modern development. After the war, Legazpi underwent reconstruction and became a city in 1959. Over the years, it transformed into a major economic center in Bicol, driven by agriculture, trade, and tourism. The city's proximity to the iconic Mayon volcano has made it a prime destination for tourists, boosting its economy further. Today, Legazpi is known as the City of Fun and Adventure, offering a mix of historical landmarks, natural wonders, and modern infrastructure. It continues to thrive as a commercial and tourism hub in the region,